So, are you a businessman?
Oh yeah, I love business.
Oh my god, so you're a millionaire.
Baby, I'm a billionaire. Talking about millionaire.
Wow, so do you have a G-Wagon?
Oh yeah, I have one of those.
So you have multiple cars?
Yeah, I have cars, jets, yachts.
Wow, you own your own jet?
Yeah, jets with an S. I have multiple.
Oh my god, that's so cool. So is your family rich or did you build yourself?
No, I made myself. My family didn't come from money. I had to do everything on my own.
Oh my god, so you're self-made.
Yeah, I'm self-made. Everything I do for myself. You know, I wanted to become rich at a young age. So, you know, I had to do that.
Oh my god, that's amazing. What are you eating?
Caviar. I'm having a bowl of caviar right now.
Oh my god, that sounds so good.
Yeah.
I was thinking you should buy me a Birkin bag.
A Birkin?
Yeah.
What color?